Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey, and just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. Hello everybody! Welcome to today's journey into the world of Darklume, where fantasy meets reality and even dream is just a Darklume coin away. So imagine a place where you can escape the ordinary and immerse yourself in a realm of endless possibilities. That's what Darklume is about. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's a gateway to a whole new way of living and experiencing life. So what sets Darklume apart from the rest? Well, picture this: you can become a citizen of your own virtual country, participate in thrilling adventure, and even find love in the virtual realm. And it's all powered by Darklume coins, the cryptocurrency of choice in Darklume. As you see, this is the website of this project, and as you see, I like it very much. So it's built on cyberpunk theme, as you see, and it's full of 3D and augmented reality. So I like it very much. And I will let you check all the websites from A to Z. But what we need here is the white paper. So this is the white paper of this project, and as you see, it's full of information, but I will try to give you all about this project in just this video. From literary pursuit to heart-pounding adventure, Darklume offers something for everyone. Whether you are a trial seeker, a social butterfly, or just looking for a place in unwind, you'll find it right here in the virtual paradise. And it doesn't stop there. We're constantly partnering with brands and influencers to bring you the latest and greatest experience in the virtual world. So get ready to embark the adventure of lifetime with Darklume. The future, luxury living and entertainment in here, and it's waiting for you. And as I said, Darklume isn't just a virtual playground. It's a canvas for your wildest dream. Want to live in treehouse overlooking the ocean? Don't. How about owning your own spaceship and exploring distant galaxy? You got it, it's Darklume. And speaking about imagination, Darklume is always evolving. They constantly adding new features, events and surprises to keep the adventure fresh and exciting. From exclusive concerts to hidden treasure hunts, there's always something new to discover in the Darklume. Let's check now the roadmap, and as you see, there is 3 phases: pre-sale and the Metaverse, the Q1 and Q2 of this year. After that, the other Q3 and Q4, it will be the phase 2 expansion and enhancement, and in the next year, optimization and scaling, including continuous optimization and refinement of Darklume, scaling the infrastructure, and also exploring the emergence of technology and innovation to further enhance the Darklume Metaverse. You can also check their Telegram from here, their Twitter from here. You can ask anything here, and also in the Twitter, as you see, this is their verified Twitter. They're also very active, as you see, 6 hours, and as you see, the pre-sale is still alive, so you can be one of the first one to have this coin and trust this project. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Darklume and let your imagination run wild. Your next great adventure waits, and if you have any question, please ask me in the comments. Also, you can ask them in their Telegram. Don't forget to put like, subscribe to our channel, and as I said, a comment. We answer all the questions, and also it will help us a lot for our growth of channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.